It was the first time that I saw you. I had never seen anything so perfect. I remember thinking that I had to have you or I'd die. Then you whispered that you loved me. And I felt so peaceful.
I hate you. I hate you so much.
When you go, don't ever think I'll make you try to stay. And maybe when you get back, I'll be off to find another way. When after all this time that you still know you're still a good for nothing, I don't know. So take your gloves and get out. Better get out while you can. When you go, would you even turn to say I don't love you like I did yesterday? Sometimes I cry so hard from bleeding, so sick and tired of all the need is beating. But baby, when they knock you down and out is where you ought to stay. And after all the blood that you still owe, another dollar's just another blow. So fix your eyes and get up. Better get up while you can. When you go, would you even turn to say I don't love you like I did yesterday? When you go, would you have the guts to say I don't love you like I love you yesterday?